Hi, I am Emma from Fleetroute. Let's see about the future of last mile delivery, key trends and technologies. Before we go ahead, would you like to get 14 days free trial of last mile delivery software? If yes, visit www.fleetroute.com. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of Future Tech Insights. Today, we have a topic that affects us all: last mile delivery. We'll be diving into the key trends and technologies that are shaping the future of this crucial aspect of the logistics industry. But before we begin, I want to give a big shout out to Fleetroute last mile delivery software. If you're a business looking to optimize your delivery operations, you're in for a treat. Stick around until the end, because we have a special offer just for you. Now, let's get started. Did you know that last mile delivery accounts for nearly 50% of the total delivery cost? It's no wonder that companies are constantly seeking ways to improve efficiency and reduce expenses. So, what are the key trends and technologies that will shape the future of last mile delivery? First up, we have autonomous delivery vehicles and drones. These incredible machines are revolutionizing the last mile delivery landscape. With the ability to navigate traffic and reach even the most remote locations, they offer unparalleled speed and efficiency. Imagine your packages being delivered by a friendly robot or a drone, saving time and reducing carbon emissions. The future is here, my friends. Next, we have augmented reality and wearables. These technologies are transforming the way warehouses operate. With the help of AR headsets, warehouse workers can access real-time information about inventory, pick routes, and even receive step-by-step instructions for efficient packing. This not only speeds up the entire process, but also minimizes errors. And with wearable devices like smart gloves and exoskeletons, workers can handle heavy packages with ease, reducing the risk of injuries. Another trend that's gaining momentum is crowd shipping and on-demand delivery services. Have you ever considered leveraging the power of your local community to deliver packages? Crowd shipping allows individuals to earn extra income by delivering packages along their daily routes. This peer-to-peer delivery model is cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and can significantly reduce delivery time. It's like having a small army of delivery partners. Of course, we can't forget about the role of advanced delivery management software. Tools like Fleetroute last mile delivery software offer powerful features for businesses to streamline their operations. With real-time tracking, route optimization, and intelligent dispatching, you can ensure that your deliveries are handled efficiently. Fleetroute even provides analytics and reporting, allowing you to gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of last mile delivery is incredibly exciting. We've explored autonomous vehicles, augmented reality, crowd shipping, and the importance of advanced delivery management software like Fleetroute. To find out how Fleetroute can transform your delivery operations, it's time for our special offer. Get 14 days free trial of last mile delivery software at www.fleetroute.com.